welcome. It's GillyKube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I had a crazy idea for a colour combination, so I'm just going to go for it and I'll explain it as we go along. So this was runoff paint that I got left with that I just collected into a cup, and now I'm using as a base colour. So it's like a really nice pale grey, but the thing with it is that it's got a lot of sparkle in it because the paint that I scraped up had a lot of metallics in it, so it's gonna cause, it's just shining now under this light. It's lovely. I'm not going to worry too much at this time about my very edges, so I'm going to just carry on with my crazy colour combo that I have in mind. It might look terrible, but I'm hoping not, so we will see. So you have these colour combos in mind, and I know that a lot of my regular followers say how pleased they are that they're not very good with colour, so they you know, basically they said they copy the same colour combos, and that's absolutely fine. That's what I'm here to share with you, is what I do. So okay, so I'm gonna go with, you think this is crazy, well, first of all I'm going to go with my dark blue. This is to go with the dark blue, and then I have a little bit of I think it was cyan blue, I think so. It's been mixed a while, so I'm not 100% sure. So we'll go with that one. Just those two colours at the minute. Bear with me and get my little mini dryer. Let's see how this goes. Love those colours, and that is just sparkling. So I've been gone with these colours for a long time. This is the crazy idea that I have. So I'm going to put a puddle of the navy. Oh, I really hope this looks okay. Let's just try it. Now I mixed this colour and it looks like a terracotta, and what you do for this colour is, let me remember, I had like a pale green. I had pale green, and you mix red into green and you get this dark terracotta. So this is my custom colour. I just thought, would this work or would it not? So I'm going to try it. You have to, I always have these colours or compositions come to me. You know, I could be anywhere driving my car, usually at night while I dream. So this was one I had. I just try it. We can change it if it's no good.
Oh, I like it.
Bear with me because I think I can bring that up better once I give it a kiss with my deflated balloon. I think that'll, oh, that's so lovely. That is lovely. Oh, I love it. Always get an itchy nose when I do this. Blow the paint through that straw. Wow, I think that's lovely. I think I might go another little one over here and another little one here. I've done many of this composition with different colours. I've done the green and used purple, and that's beautiful. But this one, like I said, I had it in my brain and thought, why not? And I am so happy I did. And as I said before, the base colour was all leftover paint that I just scraped up off this craft paper and poured into a cup. Just a little one. I love it. So this is just a balloon that's gone down, a normal size balloon, not a small one. It just went down. So you can just blow the balloon up slightly so it's small already like that, I guess. Just needed an extra bit colour, I reckon, there. That's perfect. I love it. I don't think I've ever done one, this actual colour combo. That's absolutely gorgeous. I do love it. And you know what I'm going to do? You probably say, no. I'm going to just do some using my catalyst wedge. This is a little silicone one. If you look underneath in my description underneath my videos, I have links to the Amazon store where you can get these little catalyst wedges from. So let's give it a little spin. Okay, that hasn't come out very well because the base paint is too thick at the moment, but it's not too bad. We'll see. Let me see. Yeah, it's the base paint is very thick at the moment, so that probably will not work too good. Let's trace that out with my little skewer into something whimsy. That's fine. Yeah, the actual base, there's too much. If there wasn't so much paint, you'd see a really nice effect from that. But that is lovely. I love that. Yeah, let me know what you think. But remember, you can try any combo under the sun. How simplistic was that, really? You know, I'm going to go over the edges with my leftover grey with my sponge brush, and then I'm going to leave it to dry, and you'll see the photos at the end. Let me have a little. Just blow. That's it. You can add or take away as much as you choose for that, or keep as much as you choose. I'll bring you down and have a little look-see anyway. I love this colour combo, and that grey is just sparkling in the background. I might, as it dries off a bit, try and do something with those sort of my attempts with my catalyst wedge. Obviously the paint was too thick for it to create the nice pattern that it normally does, but look at those flowers, they're gorgeous, and that terracotta colour actually went perfectly with it. I'm really happy with it. So there you go, something completely out of the box, different colours combo, and I'm really happy with it. So I really hope you like it too, guys. Let me know what you think. And just a reminder, because we're living in such treacherous, horrible times in the world at the moment, and especially those in the US, sending my love and thoughts to you all. We just can't believe, you know, what's going on for you guys. But anyway, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, and if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Okay, bye for now.
Ringing with the sound, we were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now.